Hey, honey.
Are you still at the office?
Yeah, I'm still here at the office. I know, I'm slammed.
But today is Halloween.
Yeah, I know it's Halloween.
You're supposed to take the kids trick-or-treating.
Yeah, I'm sorry. This is just really important. So go ahead, go take the kids trick-or-treating.
Don't you know you're not supposed to stay in the office on Halloween night? It's dangerous.
Yeah, look, I don't believe that at all. I think that's all made up. But even if it was real, hey, I'm in an office that has PDK. I'm safe.
Okay, I'll see you at home. Love you.
Okay, I love you too. Bye-bye.
Looks like some idiot decided to work on Halloween night. You know what we have to do. Let's each take a corner of the office and make sure he regrets working on Halloween. Wait, who are you?
Oh, I saw the villain for hire ad, so I just thought I'd sneak on by, you know? Like, be a whole ghost. Boom!
That's not a villain. Stick with me.
Wait, what are you doing?
Bro, have you never seen, like, a scary movie? Like, there's always smoke, okay? I'm just setting the scene.
How is this helpful?
Wait, who are we looking for anyways?
I've been expecting you.
Wait, how did you know we were coming? This usually works.
I knew we needed more fog.
That wouldn't have helped. You guys set off every single sensor tied into our PDK system. Better luck next year, guys. Happy Halloween.
I'm sorry. Excuse me.